Hello, this is Janine Ross for IBM 320 Lab 11 Regression Analysis. So here we can see that you have your net income, your sales, and your assets, and you want to find if the sales and the assets have any effect on your net income. And this can be done by looking at the p-value, but you can only do this through regression analysis. So what you want to do is you make sure that your data analysis button is here by going to Excel options, going to add-ins, and going to go and making sure that this is checked. So you go to this button, data analysis, you go to regression, you can just press OK, and let me delete this and put this in. So you're trying to see if the dependent variable y, as you would at any graph, is if there's any change in this variable due to these two x variables. So these are your two x. So these are your effect and these are your causes. So then you can just highlight this entire table. Okay, and then I want the output range to be, let's see, G18, that's fine. And then we just press OK. Okay, and then it gives us a regression. So as we can see, it just looks like a bunch of numbers, but it's not the case. So let me just move this over, and this is kind of like a description of this so that we can see everything. Okay, so if you can see that the F is equal to 21.19, so here's your F. I'll go ahead and highlight this for you. So 21.944, and then your y variable is right here, is the 0.06 times 1 plus 0.034 is your x2 plus 12.67. So all this is your numbers right here. So then the B1 will be your 0.16. The T statistic is right here, is 1.49, and the p-value is 0.149. And then so for the first one, since the p-value is greater than 0.05, the sales doesn't have any significant impact on net income. So this is saying that they aren't directly related. So then we can just move on to the next x variable, since that one's done. The next x variable states that the B2 is equal to 0.034, the T value is equal to 2.49, and thus we get the p-value, which is 0.02. And then there's a way to compute this too to get the p-value, but since it's just right on the graph, we can just look right here, and it's much easier. In this case, the p-value is less than 0.05, so assets are significant, which means assets and net income are significantly related. And for every dollar that increases in assets, you will see 3.4 increase in net income. And 3.4. And 3.4. Oh yeah, here it is. Sorry, one drew blank. So this will be your 3.4 cents in net income. Okay, all right. Thank you.